Hey, it is very happy to hear that all are fine here. Okay, my dear students, what is the day today? Okay, today is 24th February. Okay. Yes, my dear students, let me ask you some questions. Are you ready? Okay, listen to me. Listen to my first question. Do you bring the lunch box today? Yes. Where is your lunch box? Where? It is in your bag. Okay. Do you bring the water bottles today? Where is your water bottle? Where? Okay. It is on the table. Okay, fine. Where are your bags? Where? Oh, it is under the desk. Okay. I have brought two pens. Where are my pens? I lost my two pens. Have you seen my two pens? One was in blue color, the other was in red color. Have you seen it? Will you please help me to find the two pens? What? Okay. Okay, fine. It was under the table. The blue pen was under the table. What about my red pen? Have you seen? What? Okay. It was on the table. Okay, fine. So, by this small conversation, we have seen the three words, three particular words. In, on, under. Which are the three words? In, on, under. What are these words called? Do anybody knows that? No? So listen to here. What is these three words are called? Prepositions. What are these words called? Prepositions. So today we are going to learn about the prepositions. Okay, fine? Yes. Do anybody knows what the preposition is? No? So listen to here. What is a preposition? Preposition is a word or a group of words to link the noun, the phrases and the pronoun to other words in a sentence. So what a preposition is? Preposition is a word or a group of words to link the noun, the phrases and the what? Pronoun to other words in a sentence. We have already seen the three words in this small conversation, isn't it? What these three words tell us about? It tells us about the place. Okay. It tells us about the place. These prepositions in, on and under. These three are the prepositions. There are many prepositions are there. So today we are only learning about the three prepositions in, on and under. These three prepositions indicates the place of one thing in relation to the other. Let's see how we can understand. Let's be the three sentences we have already discussed earlier. So let me rub this. Yes. What was my first question? Do you bring the lunch box? And do you reply me like this? What? Yes. My lunch box is in my bag. Okay. So first question, where's your lunch box? And you replied me that my lunch box is in my bag. What was my second question? Where are your water bottles? And you reply me like this. My water bottle is on the table. Okay. What was my third question? Where are your bags? And you reply me that my bag is under the desk. Okay. So by these three sentences you can see in, on and under place in the particular places. Okay. My lunch box is in the bag. എൻ്റെ ലഞ്ച് ബോക്സ് എവിടെയാണ്? ബാഗിലാണ് അല്ലേ? My water bottle is on the table. എൻ്റെ വാട്ടർ ബോട്ടിൽ എവിടെയാണ്? ടേബിളിൻ്റെ മുകളിൽ. പിന്നെ coming to the next, my bag is under the desk. എൻ്റെ ബാഗ് എവിടെയാണ്? അടിയിൽ, ഡെസ്കിൻ്റെ അടിയിൽ. ഇന്നെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എന്താണ്? ഉള്ളിൽ. ഓൺ എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എന്താണ്? മുകളിൽ. അണ്ടർ എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ എന്താണ്? അടിയിൽ. Do you understand the three sentences? And we have learn the two more sentences, isn't it? What was it? Yes. Let me rub this. I hope you have copied in your books. Okay, fine. What was my sentence? Where was my blue pen? Yes. The blue pen was under the table. Okay. Was under the table. What was my second? Okay. Where was my red pen? Oh, yes. The red pen was on the table. Do you understand the two sentences? The blue pen was under the table. Blue pen എവിടെയായിരുന്നു? ടേബിളിന്റെ അടിയിലല്ലേ കിട്ടിയത് എനിക്ക് അല്ലേ? ടേബിളിന്റെ അടിയിൽ. What about the red pen? Yes. It was ടേബിളിന്റെ മുകളിൽ നിന്നാണ് എനിക്ക് എന്ത് കിട്ടിയത്? Red pen. Do you understand the two sentences? Okay. Fine. Have you copied it in your notebooks? Okay. Yes, let me rub this. Yes. Do you understand the three prepositions which I have discussed now? In, on, until. Okay. Where was your lunch box? Yes, it is in our bag. Okay. Yes. Where was my blue pen? It was under the table. And what about the red pen? It was on the table. Okay, fine. I hope you all understood the three prepositions. So, before writing up on the class, let me give you some exercises to do. So, it is, yes, it is very helpful for you, and I can check whether you all understood the prepositions I had just taken just now. Okay, so I am giving you simple questions, simple three questions. So, answer it very fast and give to me. Okay, yes. I'm drawing the three pictures. All of you listen here. Worksheet. So, have you seen the three pictures? Yes. What is the first picture? Yes. Give me the answer. I will call other names. Yes. Yes, yourself. Give me the answer for this. What is this picture? Okay, this is a ball. Yes, it is. Yes, very good. It is on the box. What about this? Yes. This indicates, yes, the ball is in the box. In the box, correct. Yes, yourself. Give me the answer for this. Where is this ball? Yes, it is under the box. Do you understand, everyone? The first picture shows that the ball is on the box. Second picture shows that the ball is in the box. And the third picture shows that the ball is under the box. So I hope you all understood the three prepositions. Yes, study for the next class. Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone. So I will teach you the other prepositions in the next class. Thank you.